Hello, welcome to this video. We will solve information disclosure in error message challenge. To access the challenge, click on the given link. As per the challenge description, this lab's verbose error message reveal that it is using vulnerable version of third-party framework. To solve the lab, obtain and submit the version number of this framework. So challenge difficulty is apprentice, and to solve the lab, we need to find out the version of vulnerable third-party framework. So this is the challenge page, and we can notice home button, and we can see list of items here. So click on any item, and we can notice URL is changed to product ID equal to 1. So for the product ID 1, it is showing this particular product, and if we click on some other item, that value will change. And manually also, if we change this value, it will show a different product. Now, to solve the lab, we need to generate some error message. So to generate error message, in this application, we can see this input. And apart from this, there is no other field which we can manipulate. So instead of 5, let's assume this product ID will only accept integer value. So instead of 5, if we provide any character and click on enter button, it is showing error. So as this application is built to accept integer value for product ID, if we provide some random value or a special character or even a value which is not an integer, it will throw error. And in the error, we can notice it is showing the framework information, and this is the version. So to solve the lab, we need to provide the version number. So let's copy this part. Just create a duplicate window and go to home page. Here we can notice one button, submit solution. So provide the copied version and click on OK button. We can notice challenge solved. So application is disclosing sensitive information in the error message. So if particular product ID is not found, it should show a simple generic message like not found instead of showing this detailed information. And apart from this detailed information, it is also disclosing the framework information. And if particular framework is outdated or vulnerable, it will help attacker to gather information related to this framework and then plan further attack. So challenge solved. Thank you.